Dear traders, I continue with one more lecture from the results of the account on the next day, and you can see that I have already 5 strategies that are within my acceptance criteria. They made 5 trades and actually they have above 1.2 of a profit factor. And let me just try to zoom a little bit so you can see them better. Alright, here they are. Now that's too much. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so here they are. Now what we had yesterday were these same strategies on the top. I had the 5th one, and actually it was this one ending on 402 with 3 trades and $8.70 as a profit, and this is still on the same spot. However, 2 of the strategies made some positive trades overnight. There was some volatility with the gold. Actually, it broke 1400 level that was not reached since 2013, and I had some positive trades into the account. And you can see that these 2 strategies, this one over here ending on 172 and the other one 637, became positive, and those were negative yesterday when I was recording the video. Actually they were about, I think, about negative 18 to $20, something like that. 21 I think was the other one, but now they got more trades and they became positive, and this one ending on 172 is already with profit factor above 1.5. so the other 4 are already into my live account, and now I will add as well this strategy ending on 172. And you can see the second strategy had 4 trades. I told you that whatever happens with the next trade, it will be still with a good profit factor and still profitable strategy. And you can see actually that the 5th trade was as well profitable and still no losses with this strategy. So here the profit factor is just not calculated because I don't have losing trades so far and no any losses with the strategy. Alright, so this is how I follow the results. I keep looking at the number of trades one more time instead of waiting for a certain period of time like 1 week or 2. Anyway, these strategies made this result for about 2 weeks now, and I look at the profit factor. I want the strategies into my live account to be with profit factor above 1.2. And once again, this is what I follow in the live account. If the profit factor goes below 1.2, I will remove them from there. However, I will keep trading those on the demo account. And I'm not about to show my live account. I never do this in my courses just because I don't want anybody to take it as a recommendation for trading on live account or as a promise, because before I was recording my courses on a live account and there were people that were taking this as a promise. If I get these results on the live account, they should get these same results on the live account, but this is actually not the case because it depends a lot on the moment, on the market, on the volatility, on your experience, how you will manage the trading accounts between the demo and the live account. The purpose of this course is just to show you how I am doing it, how I follow the results, and this is my method. You're very welcome to create your own method. I provide you with the 10 expert advisors in this course, and I show to you how I follow the results to pick the top 5 expert advisors from the 10, and these are my rules. You're very welcome to do your own rules. You can see that already I have $774 of a profit, which is just great for 2 weeks. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Drop the questions in the forum and I will answer you as soon as possible. Take care and always enjoy when you are trading. Cheers!